Hello, this is Sanjay. I will be giving you a summary of information security domain. Basically, when it comes to information security, there are two domains everyone knows about: the hacker one, and the friendly cybersecurity professionals. The hacker ones are kind of more introverts. There are some of them are less friendlier, and some of them are introvert. They can be subdivided into black hat hackers and white hat hackers. Mostly their goal is to identify security gaps and exploit them, and sometimes they let the owners of the applications know that there are vulnerabilities and you need to do some security initiatives to remediate the vulnerabilities. And another thing is there are some hackers who actually are in the domain for exploitation and ransack money. Some of them has different agenda, to some extent protest about ongoing some geopolitical activity, protesting some political issue, protesting some propaganda, etc. There are many agendas, so it is hard to track the genuine skilled hackers because they reveal their evidence of activities in the dark web, and the dark web is not accessible by everyone. There are professionals who actually work and monitor the dark web to identify if any relevant hacking activity campaign are going on, and these activities are then identified and inspected for relevance with their organization, country's perspective. If there is threat to the country, there is threat to the organization, and then proper actions are taken by them. Here, there is savior or friendly cybersecurity professional terms is there for them is applicable. They are cybersecurity professionals working under private organizations, under government organizations, and there are some consultants who work with organizations, government, to make sure the activity to protect cybersecurity picture is in right way. Appropriate security measures are taken to secure infrastructure, remediate vulnerabilities, ensure periodic monitoring, etc. So, corporate professionals, law enforcement agencies, there are some compliance in industries, and government regulatory policies and procedures which mainly govern and make sure hackers do not get a chance to exploit corporate and government entities. That's all for today. Thank you.